Welcome back to Ray Summit Day 2. Thank you so much for being here.
Yesterday, we got to hear from so many of you. We heard how Canva sped up training 25 times, how Reddit reduced the cost of online inference 10x, how Shopify is fine-tuning and deploying multimodal LLMs, and so many more. Yeah. And we're going to recap yesterday's keynote.
Yeah, let us quickly and very quickly recap yesterday's keynote about Ray and AnyScale. First, we outlined the complexity wall, the AI complexity wall that is so often the culprit for impeding progress at most companies that are trying to put AI into production.
And then we described the key piece of technology needed to actually break through this complexity wall. A software layer that can support any AI workload, that can support any data type or model architecture, that can support heterogeneous resources from CPUs to GPUs, that can fully utilize different hardware accelerators and really enable scaling from a single machine to thousands of GPUs. And do all of this while being able to really abstract away the complexity, the vast complexity of the underlying infrastructure from the end developer. And of course, that needs to fit into the overall AI ecosystem and really part of the unified AI ecosystem. So we're calling this software layer an AI compute engine. And the AI compute engine that we're talking about here today is, of course, Ray.
Ray has quickly become the AI compute engine of choice for the world's most experienced engineers who are trying to unlock AI at their companies.
Yeah. And so yesterday, we actually walked through a blueprint of this AI compute engine. We talked about the individual components and problems that this compute engine needs to solve, from compute resource management to data management to workload execution.
And we showed you what lives in Ray and what we've added in AnyScale, a supercharged version of Ray that we call Ray Turbo, along with powerful governance and developer tooling.
Yeah. And we shared a series of major Ray announcements, most notably compiled graphs. This is a new framework for direct GPU to GPU communication built into Ray that we think future-proofs Ray for our new GPU-centric world. We also announced the general availability of Ray Data. Ray Data is the world's most powerful processing engine for unstructured data, and major efforts on the stability front.
And on the AnyScale side, we announced Ray Turbo and walked through its dramatic impact on Ray speed and costs. And we also shared how AnyScale can advance your AI platform with our new provider for Kubernetes.
Yeah, and this is a really big deal. Right? Many of you here have standardized on Kubernetes, run on top of Kubernetes, and this brings AnyScale managed and optimized Ray clusters to wherever you run Kubernetes.
And we also announced AnyScale machine pools for your on-premises machines, and of course, AnyScale governance suite.
And we've made huge progress on the developer experience. We launched features ranging from automated dependency management to the auto selection of nodes to the unified log viewer. And thanks to all of this work here, Goku is now on his honeymoon.
That's great. I'm happy to hear that. And it's a lot. It's amazing to see all of this landing.
Yeah. We also talked about you joining as CEO.
Indeed, we did. But much more importantly, it's about all of you, the community and the AnyScale team, bringing your energy in making this project from a brainchild to becoming the premier compute engine for the industry.
Yeah. And we talked about everything this community is doing, that all of you are doing, to truly bring AI to life. And I think that's it.
Pretty much.
All right. Well, thank you all so much. Thank you for being here with us this week. It's been so much fun.
Well, just like yesterday, you can find the AnyScale team at the Expo Hall. We are happy to take your questions and discuss your AI initiatives. Also, look out for a follow-up email from us about upcoming training offerings and Ray events at a location near you. Thank you again for the great energy that all of you brought yesterday. We're looking for more of that today and look forward to seeing you in the rest of the day. Thank you very much.
Thank you.